Go on again.
This is how it look like when it leave the shell.
When you
remove it from the shell, the conch shell.
Conch. Okay.
Yeah, when I remove it from the conch shell, this is how you remove.
Pretty now another day. So this coming out of the shell. What is a conch?
Eh?
What is a conch?
A conch is something that come in shell.
The big white shell that
the big
you
shell.
often see the empty shell from beachfront.
Yeah.
Okay. Turn around on the other side. Turn it that way then. Yes. Look like a fish tail. But that's it. Go on and talk to him.
When I finish cleaning process, most of this are go on.
Okay.
You understand? So you start trim off like you call this waste bag.
Yeah, waste bag. I mean that's a gill, but waste bag.
No, this is a waste bag. Like this is where him tripe is and stuff. You notice right here, so you can notice him tripe.
Yeah.
You notice it. Say that tripe that. You see it?
Oh yeah.
So this
Try.
See it?
Yeah. See it. Yeah. Cool.
You see it?
Yeah.
So this is actually in belly then.
Cool.
So we call it we fishermen call it the conch bag.
Okay, the stomach.
Yeah, so we trim it off. You see me? Trim off this. This is what you call him feeler.
So that's like in the bottom of the shell.
This is like this is in foot actually.
Oh, at the front?
Yeah,
of the shell?
That is the front of the shell. This is what push out of the shell.
Okay.
This is where you push out of the shell first. Because this is where I'm actually used for
so it's tough like
yeah, you can feel it.
Like a nail?
Like a shell.
Okay.
Tough.
Interesting.
You understand? So you cut it off like this. You see me? Now, this is where you find the eye and the mouth. You ever see a conch eye yet?
One thing I can think of is a snail. You know when a snail push up them eye?
If you look closely right here, so, you see him eye. If you look closely right here, so,
I can see one when I try to catch it from the camera.
You can see right.
Snail. You know when a snail push up them eye?
If you look closely right here, so, you see him eye. If you look closely right here, so,
I can see one when I try to catch it. Yeah, his eyes is right there. You can barely see because it's very fine, but it's right there.
Yeah. You trim him up. Trim it off like this.
So that's the
eye.
This part.
Yeah. This is part of the mouth.
Okay, and this is the eye.
Yeah, this is the eye. This is part of the mouth.
Okay.
And eat.
Okay.
What I'm actually do with this is suck the food from him and suck it off. Him have an acid within him when put on the food so it can melt easy when him suck it in.
Okay, like in your stomach.
Definitely.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's good.
So this is how clean it. We'll take off all the brown part.
Yeah.
And leave it completely white.
Okay. So to do that you have to cut it like that.
Cut it like that and you have to trim it
like
yeah, you know. And your knife have to be very sharp.
Yeah, that's
you understand?
Yeah.
So we start period from here.
So in the supermarket you will just see that white meat.
That's the white, yeah, just the white,
clean meat in package. That's when it's available. And
definitely.
And it's usually expensive.
Very expensive at that time.
So you can peel it off.
That's what I peel it off, yeah.
So compared to a beef, how tender you think this is? Is this as tender as a beef meat?
It even more tender than a beef meat. As long as you beat it up.
Oh, you got to
beat. If you don't beat it up now, then it will be very difficult to cook. You have to gradually pressure it.
Oh, for how long?
You have to pressure it for like about half hour. If you do not beat it up. But if you beat it up, you don't need to pressure it.
And then after you pressure it, how long you would simmer it for?
You simmer it for about 20 minutes.
Okay, alright.
Yeah. But wild pressure in it good when you pre-season it.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. So we continue to clean off the outer part of the skin. Strip it like this. You see how easy it's coming off now?
Yeah.
Alright.
Just to say, people, I'm smelling it, and it don't smell as raw as fish. It kind of have this fresh sea smell, like the ocean, but it doesn't smell raw as though you would smell a fish raw at times. Yeah. So to me, that's a good thing.
This ready to beat. This is our finished clean and ready to beat.
Okay. So how much pound that is about? Quarter pound or so?
This is about quarter pound, yeah.
Alright, so and that's the fish, and this is the waste, all the waste.
This is all the waste that comes from it.
Okay.
And this is a very high protein meal. Very, very high in protein.
Okay. So now, when them usually catch them plenty of them there at one place at a time?
Yeah, hold this. You got it?
Them dive and catch.
Yeah, usually when the divers or the fishermen them catch these, they usually they all catch them like all of them at one place at one time?
In order to catch them, you have to dive to catch them.
Okay.
Yeah,
and catch them one at a time.
When you see them in a whole lot.
Oh, so you just pick off, just harvest them.
Yeah, just harvest them. They are very easy to catch. You just take them up and bag them up. Carry them onto your fishing vessel.
Yeah, one other question I wanted to ask. How they remove them from the shell?
Well, you have the bottom part of the shell. There's a special part at the bottom of the shell.
Okay.
Where you use an axe to chop it out and use a fork to push him up, and just come out up front where you just dry him out.
Oh, that's good. I'm happy I asked a question.
Yeah.
Anything else?
You have to be a professional. You have to know it to get him out of the shell.
Yeah, that's why I'm asking.
If he doesn't know it, you'll never remove him from the shell. Because he's a very stubborn, strong person.
Oh, as you talk about that, so he's still alive while you're doing that?
He's stay alive for quite a time.
Out of the ocean?
Out of the water. You can take him out of the water inside of him shell and put him down on your boat and have him till tomorrow the next day.
Yeah.
And he is still alive.
So
you put him back into the sea and him live same way. That's how strong he is. And that's how energized or energetic he is.
Okay.
Yeah.
Huh?
What are the ingredients you plan to use for this? No, people, tomorrow we're gonna roast this. This is Rodney. Rodney is my friend, and today is his birthday. So tomorrow we should be doing some roasting of fish and conch today, but we're gonna do it tomorrow because his son's birthday is tomorrow. So we're just gonna do one thing tomorrow. So tell me now, Rodney, what kind of ingredients you plan to use on this tomorrow?
Well, as for me, I prefer to use natural ingredients such as scallion, garlic, onion, thyme, pepper, and pimento seed. Natural as ever.
Him did say country seasoning, so I like that phrase there. So you know, people, I'm always promoting the use of natural herbs and natural vegetables. But you know, for me, I would have had some other little herbs into this, like some dried parsley and some dried basil. Probably that do well on the grill. Alright,
well,
so
you know, people like to add there, but to have a healthy meal, I would advise that we use natural
seasoning.
Tender.
Wait now. So to get it ready for cooking, what you do now?
What I'm going to do now, I am going to beat it in order to get it tender. And I have a special hammer that I use
for cooking. Because I remember
for only this purpose.
I have another video that I use.
Yeah.
This was Rodney that told me about the cutting the turkey's neck small. Yeah. And that same video, I use a hammer, and somebody made a comment about Jamaican. You can know a video when you see a Jamaican use a hammer.
Yeah.
But I want them to know that when you see us use a hammer, we don't use a hammer for everything. We use a hammer just for cooking.
Yeah, this is for this special occasion.
Alright.
This is a special tool for this purpose only.
Yeah.
Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to beat it. When I beat it like this, what it actually does is make it more easier to cook.
But
if you doesn't beat it like this, then it is very hard.
Oh, okay.
When you beat it like this now, you get it real tender and soft.
Okay.
Very easy to cook.
So from my eyes it looks like you're damaging it, but it's not really damaging it.
It's not really damaging it. You have to beat it until it becomes this way.
Okay.
Okay,
kind of
so
flatten it like.
Yeah. So you beat it and you beat it. Look, see, I can take it up all the same way. I can fry it now like how it is beaten. I can fry it. I can season it, fry it, and eat.
People, you know what it look like to me too? It look like a big piece of fat.
Very nice and
just to
easy.
have an image. Alright, yeah.
Okay, yeah.
You know what you can use? So you know them wooden thing with the little holes on top?
Yeah, you can use wood. You can have a nice piece of shape wood where you make
for
just for this
meat.
purpose.
Yeah.
Or you beat any other, because you beat beef as well in order to get it tenderized.
Yeah, same thing.
Yeah, so you can use, you can make your own tool. You can create your own tool. Yeah, just for this purpose. You know? Yeah. And you do it like this. Yeah.
Hold it up close to the zinc, like just hold it like with one hand. I just want to see if the meat hold together. Hold it with one, like.
There it is.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Cool.
No.
So what you going to do? Say it again.
What I'm going to do now, I'm going to cut this in very small pieces.
Serving sizes.
Serving sizes. Very small pieces.
Yeah. Oh. All right. Go ahead. Go on.
Okay. So I start.
Cause we're going to grill this, right?
Yeah. We're going to grill it, but we're going to grill it in foil paper.
All right. Cool.
Yeah. And we're going to grill it with other ingredients like okra and callaloo.
Okay.
Which is very, very, very healthy.
Iron energy.
Iron energy. So we cut it like this in small pieces.
Oh, so like a stew up thing, right?
That's correct. Okay, so we cut it very small. So if when you're in the process of beating, if it should even burst, it doesn't matter because you're going to cut it in small pieces. So just cut. Very small piece.
How are you doing this? Are you doing this again?
Yeah.
Very small piece.
Oh, alright.
See? Very small piece and then we throw it inside our pot. See? Very small pieces.
So Rodney, this can eat like sushi? Sushi?
Sure it can. It can eat raw. It's something you can use and make conch salad.
Okay, so you don't make a conch salad?
Yeah.
In a conch salad, you do the same way. You beat it up.
Yeah, cut it in small
Cut it in
pieces.
small pieces. Wash it very clean with vinegar.
Yeah.
Then you put you add your mayonnaise.
Okay.
A little tip of lime juice. And so on. And mix it up together.
So it would look like a potato salad?
It would look just like a potato
but
salad.
This would actually be conch salad.
Conch salad. And it is very healthy.
Alright people, you see, look forward for that video. So now we're gonna add the season because we're gonna allow it to marinate overnight.
That is correct.
So that's like 24 hours. What you say? That's correct, Rodney?
That is so correct.
Yeah. So sweating man, he's been preparing all this for about 2 hours now. Diced to about 1/4 inch cut.
Well cut and ready to be seasoned.
And now we're going to season it.
And now we are going to season it.
Say that again.
And now we are going to season it.
Yeah. Why now?
I mash my garlic like this because it makes shelling the garlic more easier. So so we're going to work hard for that. I'm not just like that. The next assignment for the Sunshine Girls will be the seniors at the Fast 5 tournament in Auckland, New Zealand. Set for November 8th through the 10th. Very easy. It's already stripped. Because this mash is stripped so easy.
Yeah. You know, me not do that though. When me do a peel it, cut off the top of the other one and peel it. So that was 5 pounds of conch.
Yeah.
So now we have 12 garlic cloves.
Yeah.
How much stalks of scallion that, Rodney?
We had about 5 stalks of scallion.
Stripped and you're gonna dice it.
We had 3 onions stripped.
But what size onion? Medium size onions?
Medium size. We had small amount of thyme.
About 2 fingers put together worth of time.
2 fingers of that put together.
We're gonna tie that and put it in.
We had 2 Scotch bonnet pepper, Jamaican real good Scotch bonnet peppers.
3, how much? 3 of them? 2?
2.
Alright.
And we got...
So you're going to dice the Scotch bonnet pepper?
And we got 12 pegs of garlic.
Okay.
And that's what is going to make my complete seasoning.
Country season.
Natural country Jamaican seasoning.
Natural seasoning.
What I'm going to do now, I'm going to cut everything up.
You're going to do what?
I'm going to cut everything up, throw it in my conch, put a little of salt, rub it up,
and let it marinate.
And leave it to marinate.
Overnight. For about 24 hours.
For about 24 hours.
Alright, cool. So tomorrow now when see.
Tomorrow when you smell that, man, you want to eat right away.
We alone going to be doing all the smelling still. But we're going to show you the process. The cooking process. So now he's dicing the scallion. You see, why I'm introducing you to Rodney, because my cooking style kind of come from Rodney, because I know Rodney a very long time, and Rodney tell me a lot of things about cooking. So a lot of my style kind of come from Rodney. If you notice how he cuts, same way I kind of cut. Professional. Oh, I want you guys to know that we are downtown, in the ghetto. If you notice all the zinc and so yeah, ghetto like this. Not to scare you guys or anything, but driving coming down here, I saw some police tape off a street because some guy got shot off his bicycle riding from somewhere. Can't talk off here, so then I have to show you views. So while we're going all enough little places over the world,
yeah,
we have the biggest crime.
No.
So why them say that? Why them say we have the biggest crime? Why them say Kingston have the biggest crime in the world? Is that true?
Sometimes it depends. Sometimes it depends on the individual who says it. Maybe that individual, something has been happening to him in Kingston, so he say Kingston carries the biggest crime. But Kingston doesn't carry the biggest crime. There are many places in the world that carry deadly crime that Kingston has never seen.
That's what I had thought. But yeah. So it's kind of shocking that them say Kingston have the biggest crime.
That carries so much deadly crime that Kingston has never seen. I never see 12 children has been shot in a school before in Kingston, Jamaica. I've never seen that.
Yeah.
I see that happening in other parts of the world, but nobody talks about that. Everybody just tries to talk about Kingston. Kingston is a nice, beautiful place.
Yeah, it is. It is.
In every part of the world, we do have good people and bad people.
So this is the conch seasoned, and now we're gonna marinate it.
That's correct.
So you're gonna add 3 teaspoons of browning.
Now I'm gonna add about 3 teaspoons of browning to this because I want it to have a little color.
So it don't look white.
Some people love it white, some love it with a little color. I like it with a little color.
Yeah, yeah.
But I could add my browning without having to measure it with a spoon because I'm skilled enough. I'm doing this so long. I know how to chop.
So about 55 pounds, how much salt you added?
I added one teaspoon of salt.
No, me that's about 2 tablespoons. So we use about 1 tablespoon. So with this, we don't use plenty salt because it makes sense anyways because the seed, this is coming from the seed, so it's kind of salty. So about 1 tablespoon of salt.
One full tablespoon of salt.
Yeah, to the 5 pounds.
5 pounds.
Alright, let me see the brown, how brown it is.
Look at this beautiful color. Wow.
Yeah, that looks kind of nice. And people, just to say the smell, it kind of smell really nice with the natural seasoning. It come like it already cooked in a sense. Don't it, Rodney? It smell like it already cooked in a sense. Yeah, sound like it already cooked. It smells like it already cooked.
And what we have to encourage people is that salt is not really good for your health.
Yeah.
The less salt you use, it's better for you.
Yeah, enough is enough. So now we're going to cover this and allow it to marinate for the 24 hours. So you refrigerate it.
Yeah.
You don't have to freeze it, but just put it in the refrigerator for 24 hours.
24 hours.